Hey guys, it's Ryan, the Amazon and eBay guru, coming at you from Whistler, British Columbia. I just arrived with my fiance here in Whistler, and I just want to give you guys a tour of the hotel room that I'm staying in. Basically, just want to show you guys kind of the lifestyle that you're able to live. As you guys know, it's a Wednesday afternoon right now. Instead of going to a 9-to-5 job or having to request vacation time from my boss, which I don't have a boss, I'm my own boss, but yeah, I was able to basically come here and spend the day traveling up to Whistler, and now I'm in one of the coolest tourist destinations in the world. So I'll give you a tour of this hotel room and let me know what you guys think. So it's got the full kitchen in it. It's, pretty nice countertops, and yeah, as you can see, full kitchen. Then we got the dining area, got a nice little chandelier area, and they had this flowers for us here, so that was nice. And then we got the couch, living room area, and the other chair. Then it opens up into a TV there, and then there is the fireplace. No smoking sign, and then some painting here, and then here's the balcony. I'll show you guys that. So this is the balcony here. It's actually a pretty good sized balcony, and as you can see, got nice green space in the background that we can see. Very peaceful, very private. Oh, there's my fiance. Say hi, Jasmine.
Hey guys.
Alright. And so we're back to the living room, and then I will show you guys the bedroom and the bathroom. But yeah, this is a pretty nice hotel. It's quite expensive per night, but it's really well worth it when you're just we're just staying here for 2 nights. So if you're gonna just go for a nice short vacation, then you might as well spend the money on it, especially if you're working a lot like I do. So the bedroom, there's another TV in here, I guess. Yeah, a little TV. And then as you can see out the bedroom here, and that takes you out back onto the balcony. So that's that area. And then we will go back past the kitchen. And here's the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. And so separate bathtub and shower. It's a pretty good sized bathroom, and then you can walk right back into the bedroom from here. So very impressed with this hotel room. It is called the Horstman House in Whistler. So if you guys ever are in Whistler and you want to get something like this, that is where to check out. They seem awesome so far. Like I said, we just arrived, so we will be doing some walking in the Whistler Village and probably doing some hikes and stuff while we're here. So taking advantage of Whistler and everything that it has to offer. So let me know what you guys think, and I just want to make these types of videos to show you guys what I do during my time, more of a vlog style video, and let you guys know the potential of selling on Amazon and the life that you are able to live. And once again, if you guys have not checked out my course, make sure you check it out. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can get into the course for $4.97 right now, and that will give you access to the course for life, and I will constantly be adding more and more material to that course. So the price will be going up, and make sure you guys get in before the price does go up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.